Hi Simon, thanks very much for the question, and excuse the weird location. I'm actually in Northern Africa at the moment, and we got your email this morning, so we're answering the questions as we go along. The reason I'm able to answer is we've got Starlink on the vehicle that gives me internet access. Now, you've got a Bosch WAN28150GB, and you say it's noisy when spinning, and you're suspecting that it needs a drum bearing kit. My problem being, Simon, you haven't given me the full model number. Bosch model numbers always end with a / and 2 numbers, and you'll need that to identify the parts. I have put some exploded diagrams of the general reference to this machine, and from what I can see, you may have a splittable drum. But I can't be 100% without you actually having the full model number. I've put a link in the description on this video for you. It's easier for me to do these videos than actually send you an email. It's quicker and easier. And what I've got is some exploded diagrams on there. Now, if it is a splittable drum, there's a link on the page on the video on the description, which will take you through to all the spare parts you need. I've also put some videos on there to show you the process for changing the bearings on these drums, as it's quite a tedious job. You're going to have to lift the drum out of the machine. Anyway, I hope all this information assists you in repairing your machine. And we've actually pulled over now just to stop, because we just had a sand tornado, which you can see in the distance, just hit through the road. So we pulled over for a cup of coffee to let it pass. But if you need any further assistance, feel free to contact us via email, and I will try and get back to you as quickly as I can. Thanks very much for the question.